Alright, hello. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025. We're at Tracy Aviary looking at some groundbill. What are these called again, Luke?
Groundbill.
Southern ground hornbill. Okay, let's go look around. There was one walking. This one is just cleaning himself.
They have big eyelashes.
You got this sack.
And
I don't think that.
they have big eyelashes.
Okay, cool. That one's just sitting in the sun, getting warmed up. Oh, there's one walking around. Look at that. Cool, huh? Okay, that's it for today. Like and subscribe.